Hey, what's going on, guys? Keenith here. Today is day 6 of the no solid food fast. Guys, feeling great, excited because today I got on the scale. I went down another pound, 194. Okay, that's pretty cool. But what I'm really excited about, the visceral fat continues to go down. As you can see on the screen, just updated, went down a little more. Guys, I'm loving it. Consistency, this is the key. Being consistent, doing it the same. I mean, this is simple things, you know, putting fruits and veggies in my body, minimal exercise. Okay, I'm getting my walk on today. But guys, it's happening. I'm showing you how it's happening. Okay, hadn't eaten anything yet. Okay, I'm gonna do my juice later. But man, it's powerful. Consistency is the key. Consistency, guys. If you're consistent in anything, you're gonna beat out pretty much most people. But most people lack the consistency. I'm showing you 7 days, no solid food, nothing but fruits and veggies, juiced. That's it. And guys, the results are happening. Why would I stop there? Why would I stop giving my body what it needs? Makes no sense. So guys, we're gonna continue this. Day 7 tomorrow. Get ready. The finale. Guys, it's Keenith signing out. I look forward to tomorrow with another update. God bless. Take care.